everyone! Welcome to Learning English with Oxford. In this video, let's talk about when to use whatever, whatsoever, whichever, however, whoever, whenever, wherever. Yes, they are actually common to use in English. So let's learn when to use them. But before I get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any English video lessons from Learning English with Oxford. Let's start learning. Let's start with whatever. Whatever means anything. It doesn't matter what. For example, take whatever action is needed. Do whatever you want. You have our support whatever you decide. Here's an example in conversation.
Hi. I just want to say that whatever happens, I'm here to support you. In this sentence, whatever means it doesn't matter what happens. So it doesn't matter what happens, her friend is there to support her.
Thank you. Whatever is also used to show disrespect. Like what the person said to you is not important to you, and it's normally used with sarcastic or exaggerated tone. Teenagers actually do this or use this like, whatever.
Hey, you come home early or I'll tell your dad to pick you up.
Mom, whatever.
In this statement, whatever has a different tone and it shows disrespect. Probably what the mom said is not really important to the girl. That's why the girl said, whatever.
So whatever is used in those cases, it's either used to mean it doesn't matter what, or it's used to show disrespect or what the person said to you is not important. And we usually use it with an exaggerated tone. Now let's go to whatsoever. Whatsoever is actually an adverb and it's commonly used to emphasize a negative statement, and it normally sounds more emphatic than whatever. What I mean when we emphasize a negative statement is that we use it with words like no whatsoever, none whatsoever, nothing whatsoever, or something like that. You can say, I have no idea whatsoever. Here's an example in conversation.
Gosh, his attitude is so terrible, you know?
Yeah, he told me you don't deserve to be promoted. Yeah, I have no doubts whatsoever that he's gonna get fired.
Here, whatsoever emphasizes the negative statement. Notice that whatsoever follows the negative form, no doubts.
Yeah, exactly. So there, whatsoever is more emphatic than whatever, and it shows emphasis to a negative statement. Now let's go to whichever. Whichever means it doesn't matter which. It doesn't matter which of the possible choices happens, which of the possible alternatives is chosen. For example, do you want pizza or hamburger? Whichever you eat, it's okay for me. Or choose whichever brand you prefer. You can either have coffee or tea, whichever you want. Here's another example. Oh my gosh, a lot of good dresses here. I love this one. Whichever dress I'll buy, I know my mom will give me money to buy it.
Whichever here means it doesn't matter which choice of dress she will buy. Her mom will give her money anyway.
I love this one. Add to cart. So whichever again means it doesn't matter which of the possible options is chosen. Now let's go to whoever. Whoever means anyone, and you use it to refer to a person that is unknown to you. You don't know or you don't have any idea who that person is exactly or who that specific person is exactly. It's like anyone. For example, in the exam, whoever cheats will get 0. Send the email to whoever is in charge of sales. Whoever damaged my car will pay for this. Here's another example. Mom, Jay, whoever ate my cookie in the fridge, I'll let you pay for it.
In this statement, the speaker used whoever to mean she doesn't know who ate her cookie. It could be anyone.
So use whoever if you want to say that you don't know who did the action. Alright, so far so good, and if you found this lesson helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more lessons like this here on Learning English with Oxford. Let's go to the next one. However. However means in any way, in any matter, regardless of how. We emphasize that the degree of something cannot change the situation. For example, you can do it however you like. You can take a video however you like it. It's easy to reach the city center however you choose to travel. Here's another example. Wait. I'm tired. Just a few more pics. I'll just take a photo however I like it.
Okay. The speaker used however to mean that she will just take a photo in any way or in any manner she likes to do so.
Oh. However is also used for contrasting ideas. It's like a little more formal than the word but. For example, I liked the story, however, I didn't like the characters. We thought it was correct, however, we discovered some errors. She was about to go to work, however, she suddenly felt ill. Here's another example. Yes, that's a good marketing strategy actually. However, we're not sure if we can get more clients from that.
In this statement, however is used as the same meaning with but because it shows contrasting ideas. However just sounds more formal than but and is used in more formal settings and even in English writing.
Alright, so again, however can be used to mean in any way or in any manner. Or it's also used as an alternative word for but to show contrasting ideas. Now let's go to wherever. Wherever means anywhere. It doesn't matter where something happens. For example, you can sit wherever you like, no problem. Wherever she goes, there are crowds of people waiting to see her. Wherever you go, there's always heavy traffic. Here's another example. Hey,
Yes,
we have to decide where to go on vacation.
we can go wherever you want. Beach, mountains, wherever you want to go. The speaker used wherever to mean anywhere. Anywhere they want to go on vacation. It doesn't matter.
Okay, let's think about it.
Okay.
So use wherever to mean anywhere. It doesn't matter where something happens. And let's go to whenever. Whenever means anytime. Every time something happens or is true. For example, whenever I eat chocolates, I feel happy. You can ask for help whenever you need it. Whenever I hear that song, it reminds me of you. Here's another example. Oh, what's that? Whenever I download something on my phone, it gets slower and slower.
In this statement, the speaker used whenever to mean every time or anytime. Every time she downloads something, her phone gets slower and slower.
Delete some apps then. So there, use whenever if you want to say anytime or every time something happens. There you have it. Now you can use these words in whatever conversation you get into, however you want to use it, wherever you are, whenever you find a chance to practice it. And speaking of practice, you can also practice these words that we talked about today by writing your sentences in the comments below. I would love to see them. I hope you found this video lesson helpful, so don't forget to hit thumbs up, share this video with your friends who want to learn and improve their English, and please subscribe to Learning English with Oxford for more English lessons and tips. Let's catch up soon!